This great wolf lodge. The lazy river. There's just one section of it. That's the wave pool over here. There's the kiddie section. So right now they're just cleaning up. What's this? The water splash? Hey, how come there's someone in there? Oh, is he just testing it out? So these are the water slides over here at the back. There's another section to the other side that you don't see. So right now I guess he's just testing out everything. Oh no, he's actually sliding down. Water in there is like 85 degrees.